What's up, guys? I know I've been absent for a while, but I spent the whole fall, most of the time, doing nothing but hunting. So, decided to come by the casino and see how our luck goes. And I just spun 10-cent denomination, $20 bet. Those are progressives. Let's go. Come on, gold nuggets. Come on. Come on, the dynamite, the bonus, and the bonus. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ah, blockers. Blocking big time, guys. Come on. Come on. That's huge. That's massive. That's big, guys. It's going to be a hand pay. There we go. Thank you. Come on, baby. And a re-trigger. Come on. 13 games to go, guys. Come on, fill it up. Come on. Guys, this shape looks to be really good. Come on, bonus and a bonus. Oh, come on. Re-trigger again. Oh. 9 games left, guys. What a... We will take this all day long. Come on, baby. Let's see if we can get that bonus and the bonus. 4 games left, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on, 3 more. Come on, 3 more. It's blocking me every which way it can now. Guess I feel like it's giving me too much. $2,756, guys. All right, guys. We'll be back. Thanks for watching.